Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. No more have to say happy Independence Day to all who celebrate, right? So big up everybody on the Independence Day. And also want to send a big shout out to the Jamaican Olympic team. So I said the sprinters, them, the female relay team, them go on with themselves. Them been go on with themselves, but I don't know how we are talk about one more goal in the basket. So big them up also. And today is Spice's birthday, so I want to say happy birthday to Spice. And congratulations on the release of her debut album 10, right? Also Vybz Kartel released film album last night, this morning. So today is the 6th of August, and you know what I mean, people, the place just nice because the Olympics are going and a whole heap of festivity, new music, whole heap of things are going. You see what I say? So I love the vibes they are going. So people, last night Spice was on live. She and her partner, Rasta. A lot of people don't like when we say Rasta, but that's how we are going to call him still. Justin for the one them when I like Rasta, right? So she did play some music, and me have a little short clip me I go show you where them going with it. Alright, so take a look at this clip. Here goes. Yeah, people, so I want to see what go on. So another thing we are going to talk about is the song with her son. Now, yesterday we know that she posted the clip and everybody went berserk, right? People are lose their mind. I see some comments where people are say, boy, they can't put them child in a handcuff and thing. But me did make an assumption and I say the song have something to do with the video as far as police go. And I have to say, I was right. You see what I say? Not to toot my own horn, but me are telling the people I want the common sense. The song named Popo and the video was, what it was. So we have a short little clip of that also. So take a look at this. Here goes. Yeah, people, so now you're wagwan. So for those of us who already take a listen to the album, more want to tell me down in the comment section which song I want your favorite song. So far, me like the song when name Care For Me. You know it's a makeover of the original Care For Me. And more want to help me out with that song there. Who sing the original song? You don't care for me at all, care for me at all. But the one there, Spice deal with it. I love how she deal with it, people. Me I tell you, it have a vibes. I must see it having a music video. I don't know if she gonna do that. We don't know how much music video she gonna do or what have you, but you know what I mean. I feel like that one they warrant a music video. So now just tell me down in the comment section which song on the album you like, and tell me overall what you think about the album. You know what I mean? Did it meet your expectation? Did it proceed to your expectation? Or just let me know. Now, some other thing we want to talk about. We are talking about the fact that Spice posed and say her album is now number one on the reggae Billboard charts. So she posed and show, she did number one, Vybz Kartel number 2, and then Bob Marley number 3. And in the caption she say, "Bestie, we got the number one reggae album in the world. Hashtag Spice album 10. Thank you. Best birthday gift ever." Right, so big up Spice for that. Also, Spice there on big billboard, and you saw me say this in Toronto. You saw me say it's the Friday, New Music Friday, new album 10 at the Toronto Eaton Center, and she say, "Whoa, watch billboard in Canada. Thanks at Spotify for having my album as New Music Friday, bestie. We taking over the world." So in addition to that, Nicki Minaj also posted and she tagged Spice and said tonight she gonna make sure know what's her favorite song on the album. So I'm telling say Spice up on live, me showing a little bit of the clip, but me have some more for showing, right? Cause she had some artists. She had Baby Cham and she had Bounty Killa, and she did ask Killa like, where him seen her from them time there, you know what I mean? Cause him are one of the first artists where I tell her say she a go make it, she big, she will continue. And him a explain and I say, yeah, him see the drive, him see the passion, and him know say, yeah, she don't make it one day. And him see everything come to fruition. So, you know, without any further ado, I'm gonna play that me couldn't hear what Killa says. So take a listen, here goes.
At this minute, when my father tell me that from a little girl, and you tell me, I may never let it go from you tell me. It's like that give me the strength and the courage when me did have. Me don't know where you see me from me so young.
No, I saw the fire in you. I saw the fire. I saw the determination and I saw the talent. I saw the drive. I saw a lot of things. And I saw all the things I saw. I see bloom, blossom into the dance. When I saw you, I think I saw a little bit of that now. Sorry about that. And I'm there, nigga,
right? Worry yourself, come there, I go through it too.
Set up for talk. Yes,
but then I go through it too.
Lady. Yeah, and the night, how you deal with the main, no, weren't a regular.
But I couldn't make it done with music. I can't tell you that because the world did have to see this, you know what I mean? The world did have to see this. We did a see it on tour like every night. You open the show them at the time, I never even know you. And it's like me, I said, John, that girl, that bad, yo, she not have no record. You never have no record. No record was out there. And me, I said, oh, after, I think at the final show, me really talk to you. After the final concert, and me, I say, why you no record songs? And you said, nobody know want to record you. Because of some issues, we not forget back in that, but at the same fight, we them try to fight you over the years, you know what I mean? And I say, listen, me, if you decide, me not tell you, say, me I go tell you if you change your mind, but if you decide to come back to Jamaica, reach out and we're going to make it happen, man. And oh, you never ever call you at Jamaica and say, yo, road. And you say, yo, me I go sleep or me I go wrap up with my man or nothing like that. You always just say, brother, I'm ready. You know what I mean? And to them, you can see it, you know what I mean? From day one, you have the drive.
Yeah, people, so that brings us to the end of today's video. So once again, remember it's Spice's birthday, so please just get in the comment section, send her some birthday wishes, big her up, right? And then you tell me if you hear the album already, you know, what's your favorite track on it, and which track you pre, you know what I mean, what's your overall feedback. So other than that, if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family, to all my long-time subscribers. Thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody, big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me, Dancehall IG, rich, punk, should know, Tanto Blacks, yaddy!